control. These elements will comes under management and control functions. The first one is financial management. Finance is the lifeblood of the organization, as all of us know about that, right? So if you are acquiring funds, you are utilizing those funds in your organization. So entrepreneur searches for what are the different sources that are available for there. Then he attained those resources and he utilized those resources in the organization. So financial management deals with acquiring and utilizing the financial resources of the organization, and it is one of the function for the entrepreneur. Next one, production management. Here we are converting the raw materials, capital, financial resources into a product. So production management is also one of the key area. Okay, and next one, factory control. Production takes place in the factory. So each and every aspect relating to the factory is to be controlled by the entrepreneurs. So these three elements will come under management and control functions. And next one, technological functions. Yes, already I told you that we have to update with the technology, otherwise we may get backward, right? So technological functions is deal with getting updated technology, process and product improvement. Process and product improvement comes under technological functions. These four functions is given by Kilby. Other name is Kilby. Exchange functions, administration functions, management and control functions, technological functions. In exchange functions, perceiving opportunities in the market, supply of scarce resources, buying of inputs, marketing product and respond to competitors. Coming to the administration function, employee management, supplier management, customer management, and management and control functions, financial management, production management, factory control, and technological functions, getting updated technology, process or product improvements. These are the functions of an entrepreneur. Now we are going to discuss about what are the different types of entrepreneurs. I hope all of you are getting the class. Please note down all the key and important points in your notes. Right? Next we are going to know about types of entrepreneur. Basically there are 4 types of entrepreneurs. Types of entrepreneurs. Are categorized into 4 types. Innovative entrepreneurs. Okay, second category, imitative entrepreneurs. And Fabian entrepreneur. And drawn entrepreneur. These are the 4 basic types of entrepreneurs. First one is innovative entrepreneur. Second one, imitative entrepreneur. Next one, Fabian entrepreneur and drawn entrepreneur. Coming to the innovative entrepreneur. Innovative entrepreneur innovates new methods of production, inaugurates new product processes, which means who innovates new methods and new techniques in the production process and inaugurates new marketing products, which means they are keeps on observing the new element for their business organization. He introduces new goods, inaugurates new methods of production, and he searches for new market areas in which they can operate. So here the innovative entrepreneur will work only when there is a certain level of development is already been achieved. Innovative entrepreneur will comes under, or innovative entrepreneur is observed to be available their developed countries. These are observed at developed countries. So what innovative entrepreneur does? Innovate new products. They innovate new products, inaugurates new production methods, and he introduce new markets. And these fellows are observed at developed countries. Where these are observed at developed countries. They will work only when there is a certain level of development has already been achieved. There is nothing is to be done. We have to innovate new things, which means there is only changes will occur. So those countries are nothing but developed countries. Then innovative entrepreneurs comes under developed countries. Okay, and next one, imitative entrepreneurs. These are the entrepreneurs who imitate. Here the name itself indicate imitation. They imitate the techniques and processes that are successfully executed by the innovative entrepreneurs. They simply follow the innovative entrepreneurs' techniques in their organization. So these fellows are observed in developing countries. Innovative entrepreneurs are observed in developing countries. So these follows the techniques that are invented by innovating entrepreneurs. And these observed in developing countries. And third category is Fabian entrepreneur. This entrepreneur is characterized by very caution and skepticism in nature. They also comes under imitative category, but they are very cautious and skepticism by nature. For example, if innovative entrepreneur is following certain level of actions, in certain, for example, he is following certain categories or the levels of action, in particular level he is not getting that much of revenue, then what Fabian entrepreneur is done is he may avoid that level and he may go through next one, which means he done those activities when it perfectly clear that it gives the positive result for the organization. That's why we call him as a very cautious and skepticism in nature. Okay, and next category is drawn entrepreneurs. Drawn entrepreneurs or like such a persons, if they are suffering from losses but they are not interested to change the production, because they may follow that our ancestors are followed this and I am also following that. I don't want to change my production process. Even I am getting losses, I just continue this production process. This type of entrepreneurs is called as drawn entrepreneurs, which means they are refusal to adopt changes. They are not adopt changes. They are very refusal to adopt changes, even they are suffer from losses. They are not change even the production formula. So once again, types of entrepreneur can be classified into 4 types. First one, innovative entrepreneur. Innovative entrepreneur innovate new products, inaugurates new methods of production and introduces new markets. And these fellows are observed in developed country. Okay, coming to the imitative entrepreneur, they imitate the innovative entrepreneurs. Okay, here the name indicates imitation. Whom they imitate? They imitate innovative entrepreneur and follows the techniques that are successfully executed by the innovative entrepreneur. The next one, Fabian entrepreneur. Fabian entrepreneur is a person who has cautious and skepticism in nature. He will execute the innovative techniques when it gives compulsory positive result for the organization. If there is a chance for loss, they may skip that level. Okay, that is why we call them as a Fabian entrepreneurs. And drawn entrepreneurs, they are refusal to adopt the changes because they are fixed from the starting of their ancestral production functions. They may keep on follow that production functions. They are not allowed to change any new things for their organization. So these are the different types of entrepreneurs. So in today's session, we discussed about functions of entrepreneur and types of entrepreneur. So all of you are all of you are getting the class. Thank you.